how to trade on Fidelity investment. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'll be showing you how you can trade on Fidelity investment. So trading on Fidelity investment involves a few steps. That is, first of all, setting up account. So then to create an account, open up a browser or open up an application and then create an account by providing all of the information that has been asked. Once you're done creating an account, that's going to direct you to the home page. Now from then onwards you can explore Fidelity investment. After that, you can also explore investment options, use Fidelity research tool to explore stocks, funds, EFTs, and other investment options as well. After that, you can analyze investment. So research the performances, historical data, and analytic options on the investment you're interested in. After you're done doing the research, and if you find a suitable stocks, then you can log in into your Fidelity account and then find the trade or orders section within your account dashboard and select the asset you want to trade, such as EFTs, mutual funds, etc. After that, enter the details like the quality of shares or dollar amount you want to buy or sell, and then you need to choose between market order, limits order, stop orders, etc. based on your performances. To review the information, check the trade details and confirm the order as well. After that, you can track your investment and consider diversification, or you can stay confirmed through an update or whatsoever. So these were some of the ways that involves in trading on Fidelity investments. So in this way you can trade on Fidelity investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.